So, what's up, everybody? Yeah, rock your body. Yeah. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the last trading session of this week. Last trading session of this week. We have some nice stuff going on. Bitcoin saw some manipulation yesterday. I'm gonna actually wait. We're on time. I'm already rushing in front of the charts because I did already the markups for this New York session. We're currently ranging in the zone. So I'm looking for sells if we are breaking out of this box here, filling the imbalance under us. The high liquidation levels that are on the heat maps are here between 87,376 down to let's say roughly 87,000. But we do have some high leverage positions also in the background. Ja, hier ist tatsächlich Englisch. Also ich kann auch just switching to German. Hier ist tatsächlich Englisch, weil ich es auch für noch andere Leute mache. Also ich bin ja komplett live auf meinem englischen Instagram. Genau, dementsprechend kann ich aber auch einen Mix machen. Also wenn ihr nicht versteht, was ich sage, dann switche ich auch gerne auf Deutsch. Hi Flo, what's up? So Luca, yes. Mainly English here. It's my English account. Flo says English is way better. It's so funny that the Germans are also saying English is better. I also prefer English actually in trading specifically, but I can also speak slower. Like I used to live in Canada, so I'm kind of like a quick speaker in English too, even though I am German. So yep, just let me know if you don't understand. Yes, English. Oh, there is Dennis, my friend. Dennis, my friend. Danish legend is also here. So, all right. Ethereum, I actually haven't marked out. It's always so much work. Crazy. Same thing for Ethereum. If we are breaking this high, speaking it in Arabic, if we are breaking this high, then we go for longs. If we are breaking this low, then we are going in for sells. So we are in a big, or not big, we are in an accumulation zone, right? Both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Accumulation zone where we are looking for breaking out. We can actually also check for let's look out for the Ethereum heat maps here actually. Luca be like, I'm gonna go out. I don't want to speak English. So let's take a look on the 3-day heat map here on Ethereum. So what do we have here? Okay. 2,974, first liquidation level here. Let's see. So guys, okay, that is already a liquidation level over us. That's not too interesting for us because we want to break out of this. 2,980. Indian English is the best in the world. What about English with an Indian accent? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's actually do some, I'm gonna put some beats or something. Do you have some nice beats on YouTube here? Nice playlist that can run in the background? How do you say that?
Wenn du wissen möchtest, was heutzutage mit KI möglich ist.
Oops. Let's actually take a look here. What is this? Relax beats. So we have at least something. I was actually looking into my YouTube video, like my YouTube stream from last time. It's like so boring without anything in the background, right? And it's also crazy, guys. How dark is it in Germany? Like, I go nuts. I go nuts. What the hell? So, how dark is it in Germany? That is just insane. I don't know if this is allowed, but maybe just some random YouTube chill beat playlist. Yeah, I guess that is something like this, right? Is the sound okay? So for everyone that is joining, welcome, 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 welcome. If you have not checked out the video description, feel free to join my Telegram channel. They are always announced when I go live. I will post a lot of education and obviously some stuff in 2026 that is coming. So we're just getting started. Check out the video description, link down below, my Telegram channel. Yeah, visiting my aunt in Munich, sitting here in the dark as well. Yeah, sounds good, sounds perfect. Yeah, horrible here. Would love to leave as soon as possible again. Same here, I'm gonna leave soon. I'm gonna leave on the 13th of January. So then I'm out until May. I'm not coming back here. So 13 days in the beginning of the year, and then I'm out for 4 months for sure. Minimum 4 months. I'm not gonna stay longer in this freaking country. I'm coming back when there's sun again. So let's actually take a look here on Ethereum a little bit quicker. The rest we already got. 2,980 we already have. So important is 2,986. So everything is a little bit inside our box here. So not too important for us. But of course some rejection here. This one I will do a little bit bigger just in case you don't see it. Best decision in Germany, leave ASAP. Yeah, at least in winter, like, what? Who wants to do that, you know? $2,998. There's good liquidity cluster here at the old highs. Oh, until 25, there's a lot. So over some good liquidation levels for sure. And over this, 29. Not too much. Let's take a look on 24 hours. Now we don't see that crazy amount of short liquidations here, but a lot of longs. So let's also see for shorts here. Well, there was never not really a summer here. Yeah, I guess you're right. So guys, we're preparing for opening. Currently sideways movement on lower time frames. We got a rejection from here. Actually, also what's great to see is that all the high liquidation longs were liquidated yesterday with this crazy push to the downside, which we didn't trade. So, but right now in Bitcoin, we have some imbalances here and here, right under this low. So it would make sense to grab it eventually. But might be also the case that we are trading first up here and actually taking out these highs here. So let's see. Let's see what we get, I guess, huh? So what do we have in Ethereum? 2,993. I think here 2,930 it starts. So we're getting ready already for potential pre-market buy. So guys, Ethereum is getting ready for a pre-market buy. We're breaking through the high here, the green area. We got some liquidation levels, so I think it might be possible that we are getting a rejection here for now, but would be valid entry. But we get rejected for now. Bitcoin as well, if we are breaking through the green line, will be interesting for buys, but currently nothing. So let's continue wrapping up the liquidation levels before. We still have 15 minutes to go for the opening. Here we have two bigger ones. Let's actually take a look what Ethereum is doing here first. Far away from sells for now, so let's see. Sol is running. Sol is running. It will be interesting overall what like every coin is doing now at the resistance area that we created yesterday. So there, of course, we need to be careful in general. Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum. Yeah. We had, of course, the Japan actually hiked the interest rate yesterday to 0.75%. So they increased it for 25 basis points yesterday, but it was kind of priced in my opinion. So that's why the market didn't react. Oof, Ethereum is in a long. And got already TP1. But I missed it here. Well, maybe it was good that I missed it for now. Some rejection. Let's see. I would only go in if we are breaking this high. For the people that are in, of course, manage it. Bitcoin is also approaching. Okay, so apparently I need to get ready here. So Ethereum. Got this liquidation level out as well. I mean, here is like big resistance. In Ethereum, it's a little bit more riskier to trade than in Bitcoin, I would say. Because in Bitcoin, we still have a lot of space to the upside. Ethereum pumped a little bit more, to be honest. So now I would definitely wait for, personally, like most likely for everybody was a little bit too quick. Let me know if you're in the trade. Like, is somebody in the trade? I'm not sure. I'm not in for now, so if we're breaking the same high, I would go into the trade. In general, like if you're jumping in the trade, I would watch out for this low here. Like if this low is going to be broken, I would switch to, I would like to go into sell, so that could be a possible stop for you too, like a possible stop loss somewhere here. Not in, misclicked. Okay. Anybody in? Like, let me know. Is anybody in any trade right now? I missed it personally. Like, I missed it personally. So I'm not in for now, but I don't know if somebody is in. We got some pre-volume here, huh? Bitcoin also got rejected for now. So yeah, what we want to do here in the trading session in general, guys, for everybody or anybody that is completely new, we're scalping this market here, so it might be some times that we are having to react very, very quick. And important is the yellow levels are basically liquidation levels, so very likely that we get that we take them out before we get a reaction. So of course these you can see as, yeah, you can say take profit scenarios, you know. How much you're taking profits is completely based on your personal risk management. I cannot give you guys a risk management for everybody, every account size, every risk behavior. So you definitely need to make up your own risk management. If you don't know how to trade futures, send me a message. I'm actually sitting this weekend for some videos, so I'm also uploading them on my YouTube channel in case you guys need that. The broker that I personally, the exchange that I work with is BingX, so if you want to help me to grow, just give me a like on the stream, comment on the stream, give me an abo, and of course sign up with BingX to help me grow in this way as well. Yeah, but for now, we need to wait here. You know, kind of what we did now is just jumping to the top of the range. Same like here. So as long as we don't break out of this range, it's not interesting either to the upside or to the downside. Same for Ethereum. Like we got a wick now, but not clear break. So we got the instant reaction here. So now I would say waiting for the break of the same high. So, do we have any news today? I'm not even sure. I haven't checked it today. We don't really, huh? We don't really have any USD news, at least. None of them that are out of big interest. Follow, like, BingX, all done. Thank you. Number one supporter. Number one supporter. $2,915. Just gonna do at the same time the levels here. Yeah, like just liking the stream and like commenting, I think that will help the algo to push it as well. But for now, I just have fun with you guys. So some liquidation levels under us in Ethereum as well. Let's see what we see. What the market is, what the market participants from the US are doing. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting, like what we do here, breaking out of this range. We have a lot of like long liquidity for sure in both pairs, in both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Some imbalances under us on Ethereum too. So let's see what we see first. For now, we get rejected. We are already trading at the highs of Ethereum. Took some shorts out, some short liquidations, sorry. We took already out, so actually, as a matter of fact, we can delete them here because they're simply not there anymore. All three are out. Oh, I just see that I'm on the index chart. I think that was the problem, huh? Ah, I didn't even see that. It's here also. Okay, all good. Gonna be on the index chart, that's fine. So pre-market, some sell-off here. So we get ready actually for sells, huh? No, pre-market. Pre-market was first a little bit more bullish. Let's see. I mean, technically, like everything what happens now is still within the range. So yeah, it's kind of like a 50-50 thing. Kind of a bet that I don't wanna do. We're pretty, I mean, we have kind of a good reaction here from the markets already. But of course, like we could have a big short squeeze of shorts going out of the market. Let's see what we get here. Okay, 3 more minutes. I'm just gonna get myself quick something to drink and then I'm gonna be back. So guys, we're getting ready to take off. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes for 1 minute actually, 1 minute 45. As always, first 30 minutes are more education, you know, more education. We're gonna go over the levels that we want to see, over your questions if you have some, about BingX, about exchanges in general, crypto trading. You can always ask questions. We are marking out the zones that we're looking for New York opening to go to. So right now we are in a sideways trend. So what we want to see is a clear break of either the high or the low of this range, to actually get or benefit from the move that New York wants to give us first. On both pairs, on Ethereum, we see the same. Bitcoin too. So also the low of the range would personally think, I think that would act like a good stop level. If you want to, let's say, for example, if you want to open up 2 positions at the same time, I would, if you're, for example, on the laptop, I would recommend you guys to just do 2 taps. One on your phone, for example, and one on your laptop. You can also, if you're watching the stream on the computer, if you're using Google Chrome, just like a small tip, you can actually do the following. You can do a right click on your tab on Google Chrome. And what you can do then is you do add tab to new split view. So you can do that. And then let's say I want to do Twitter or YouTube, whatever it is. Just going to click here. And then I can go to YouTube and I'm opening up the stream, right? Whatever. Right? Let's say I want to go here. Right? And we can comment here, whatever, I don't know. Right? So just for you guys to know. Hope that was helpful. I hope that was helpful. Or you just do like if you do Google Chrome, the best would be if you just have double split screen, in my opinion. Or one on the phone and one on the laptop, so you can click at the same time, or you know, if it's at the same time, of course. Sometimes we don't need to open trades at the same time. So let's see, Ethereum also getting ready, but still within the range. Bitcoin is kind of trading in the middle of the range, waiting for a potential move, but currently kind of doing nothing. Kind of doing nothing. I would also like, if you can, also look at your own trading view, because it can be that you are maybe 2 or 3 seconds. You maybe have 2 or 3 seconds delay. I don't know if somebody can give feedback. Yesterday I got the feedback that somebody had 2 or 3 seconds delay, or even longer delay. I don't know. So Bitcoin is getting ready for a sell here, apparently. Or not, I don't know. Bitcoin is closer to a sell than Ethereum is. Let's see. Bitcoin getting ready. Can we get the push now? Clear push to the downside. Also just a wick for now. If we are breaking the same wick, then boom. What is Ethereum doing? Ethereum is doing nothing, so let's see. No clear break yet, just a wick, the same like in Ethereum. Let's see if we can break the same low. Or we still want to trade within the range. What's up, Moritz? What's up? What's up, Moritz? Yeah, small delay, not so bad, but for scalping, better watch on your own trading view because 3 seconds can be a lot. Yeah. Index chart and BingX chart movements aren't really the same though. Okay. Well then, we can just mark it out here. But then I don't have the time now to put the... I don't have the time to put... I'm just gonna check here first. I'm gonna stay on Bitcoin for now, quick, just to see if we get a clear direction to the downside. So if we're breaking this low now, I'm going in. I already have my finger on the short button. Okay, now we're in. Okay, I'm in now. Waited for the retracement a little bit because I was too late. Now I'm in BTC short. Let's see what kind of reaction we get. So above are the stops for me. Like above the range. The range high would be the stop for me in this case. Ethereum still within the range, but also approaching. No clear reaction from BTC so far, but like stops would be above this range. There would take my stop loss somewhere. Personally, but of course, like risk management is on your side, so check out what's like your risk management. Who else is in the trade? We had now many pullbacks, so at least a lot of chances to get a re-entry if you missed it. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. First target here, 87.376. Let's see if we can grab some more liquidity. For now, not really clear movements here. Ethereum is still in the box, so nothing so far here. Yeah, like 200 pips reaction, but nothing so far, so let's see. Again, like I would put my stops above here. And also, of course, still buys are in place, right? And play. But I would put my risk out of the short position and close it, obviously, and switch to buys. In standard futures, you can open up 2 positions. So just for you to know. Oh, crazy push. Crazy push. Maybe we just get our buy here in Ethereum too. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I mean, not nice for the short, but it's fine. Just have your stops tight. Ethereum, both are interesting here. Okay, this is... Okay, well, I'm open for both. Okay, Ethereum is going to be interesting now. Okay, I'm out here in BTC. I'm switching to buys. Ethereum for longs as well. I took a small loss here in BTC. If you're still in the position, it can be that we see a retracement. So if you're still in the short position, maybe wait for a little bit of retracement if you haven't closed the short position yet. But I would definitely take some losses here for sure, because now we are in this zone here. So it might be smart to take some losses here. Very aggressive candle. But I'm Now in Ethereum longs, I went in here as well on Bitcoin longs. So let's see. Hopefully we don't get wrecked at the same time on both. If you're still in the short, I would definitely take some losses out here. In this case, you don't care about the RSI, correct? Confi was the break of the low, correct? Yeah. RSI? I didn't look at the RSI right now. That's just a break, like a volume entry here. So I switched to longs in Bitcoin, and in Ethereum I'm also in a long. I took the stop loss very tight here, because if we're breaking here, it's the risk that we are pushing crazy. So I took small risk, or not small risk, small losses here. So I lost my Bitcoin position. I'm out of this one, but I switched to longs. We're still in entry areas, if you guys missed it. Very important. If you still didn't de-risk here, if you still didn't go out, like I would really think about going out of your short position, because it, like, that could pump up, you know. That's why I went into longs. Bitcoin SL and Ethereum Bitcoin long. And yes, guys, we cannot win every trade, but it's important to have a risk management. You know, the thing is, if we have a good risk management here, we have our losses, we are de-risk, and we are now in longs, we can still win. Obviously, it can also be the case that we get wrecked in both sides. That's happening sometimes too, but therefore have a clear risk management of not losing too much in one trade, especially in these kind of setups, when we know we have a range to both sides that can be broken. So I'm chill here. It's fine. That was a fixed loss, fixed stop loss, not like liquidation price or something. So all good. Yo, what's up? What's good? Currently looking for buys here in Ethereum. We unfortunately got a loss, actually. Like, first, like, good loss. We went into shorts here, and then we got this long squeeze. So we secured our position here pretty quickly with a stop loss, just in case we don't get crazy wrecked if it moves up. So yeah, we cannot win every trade, obviously. So you didn't miss anything. Yeah, I'm in longs now. I'm in longs right now because we broke the structure to the upside. So yeah, I'm in a long. I'm in a long. So you're still, I mean, we're still at areas where I took my long. So yeah, but just this candle is a little bit dangerous, like this 5-minute candle, I think. So let's see. I'm not sure if it had any, like if that was any news. I'm not sure. I'm gonna double check now. CPI data have been pushed down, breaking. Price action looks a little bit dangerous here. Yeah, not good price action. I mean, price action, we have good price action like volume-wise, but nothing really clear. Like, that's the problem. Like, yeah, sure, we have like a short break to the downside, short break to the upside, but not really something that pushes to any liquidation levels. That what makes it a little bit hard here. That's so interesting. Now it's going again in the middle of the range here. So even the short position would have been still in. Let's see. At least we have volume. At least we have volume. That's good. One-minute chart looks crazy, but at least it's a bullish break. Let's see. 1 minute chart just grabs some liquidity down of this imbalance that was created by this heavy push. But I don't see anything on Twitter, on X, that says why we did see the pump. Don't really see it right now. Gonna try to find it, but I guess it's just price action. Very tough here. No, I'm not finding anything. I'm not finding anything so far. So that was just price action. Nvidia shares up 2.3%. Nikkei falls 10%, most since April after China sales plunge. What else do we have here for news? No news, at least. No news. Not from what I can see here. $15.50, $15.45. Do we see anything here? FOMC member William speaks 2:30, but that was already a long time ago. So no, I don't really see anything. Let's see. Let's see. So technically in this break to the upside, 1 minute break. We had before a break to the downside. Now we have a break to the upside. We still have some liquidity under us. No, 5 minute, 5 minute imbalance is filled. Like this big candle, like this in between here was now filled. Let's see. I would play it definitely safe here, but let's observe it. So observe it if we can get the short squeezes above us out of the market. So this big, or let's say the small imbalance is filled. Let's see if we can push up now and go to the targets. Let's see. Choppy movements, yeah, for sure. Bitcoin just chilling in the exact middle of the range. Yeah, unfortunately. I mean, yeah, I really wanted to have like a clear movement, like to one side, but it kind of tricked us, you know? Kind of tricked us in both positions to go in, and now it goes sideways again, which is a little bit shitty being in a position, right? But I mean, for now I'm chill. Let's just observe it and manage our risk accordingly. Let's just be safe, you know. Last day of the weekend. Let's just be safe. You know, that's why I also took the stop loss here. Like took my loss. That's fine. You know, we cannot win every trade. Then rather have like a smaller stop loss than risking it here. When there's some choppy movement, that's at least how I personally see it. You know, better to have like a small stop loss here. And not risk too much of the capital. So I'm personally, of course, still in both trades, right? Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see what we get. What is gold doing? Choppy. Choppy movement. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Have your risk management in place. Don't over risk for no reason here. Good price action would really be the best gift for the next year. I mean, scalping wise, we definitely had this week some good price action when we executed. Before not. Like we had like, I think 2 days out of this week were really choppy, but then our entries were really good. You know, so it was not that bad, I would say. I mean, for scalping at least. But intraday, I completely agree with you anyways. That this is definitely not the best, yeah. But yeah, let's see. I mean, the worst case that can happen, we're actually ranging here, you know, and then I have time at the latest until 16:30, so let's see what we get until there. But no movement at all. I don't think so. We will see something. I think something cannot be in this range the whole time. I really hope we grab like the 90K. Be so nice. But as a matter of fact, we definitely have some volume under us too. But I also think like if we are in these areas here and we like move sideways, there come more sells in the market as well. Let's actually take a look on Bitcoin, or I'm taking a look here on the right side. Do we have some more shorts in the last hours? Yeah, we have a lot of shorts over us, 88.9. Oh, there's like 60 million, 100 million together on Binance. So a lot of shorts open up right now. 88,919. So somewhere here. A lot of shorts on the Binance liquid map that is pushing, of course, the BingX one too. Like here, there are like 100 million or even more. 88.841. Yeah, so basically starting there, we have 80, 120, 130, 200 million, 230 million. Yeah, so we have like 250 million in short liquidations over us, you know. And under us, yeah, we have 87,131. We have there a lot, 46 million, but not so much like in the short for the shorts, like for the shorts. So in my opinion, there came a lot of shorts right now here in. Let's see. I mean, could be also market makers, but that want to push the market down. Let's see. Let's see. Do we get our push? Just laughing emoji. Oh my god, it's chilling here. This is crazy. Look what it does with us. Like this one here was the biggest manipulation move for us, right? Here, we had the break. And then did this, gave us an entry, now it's chopping in the middle. That's the worst thing that can happen for the emotional state of mind, you know? Oh my god. Crazy. The days before it just went like south or north. Today it wants to play with us. Yeah, no action at all. That's true. What can we do, huh? What can we do? We can just wait. Just wait. Other topic, guys. Tonight is the fight of Logan Paul against Anthony Joshua, right? Do you guys know that? Like, today is the Anthony Joshua fight. If Anthony Joshua is not winning against Logan Paul, or whatever his name is, I think that's his name, right? Then I officially don't understand, like, I officially don't believe in the boxing industry anymore. I swear, like, if Anthony Joshua is not winning, I don't believe in this shit anymore. Oh, fuck. Yes, the fight is going to be crazy. That is so fun. What time is the fight again? Do you guys know? Jake Paul is getting chopped. Hopefully. You can actually also bet on poly markets. Do you guys know what poly markets is? Like, poly markets is like basically based on crypto, where you can like vote, like you can bet basically on specific events happening. Let me actually see. Oh no, that was not the one. Here, you can actually bet on Jake Paul against Anthony Joshua, but right now it's 87% on Joshua. So what you can do here, you can just do like $100. And then you can say, so yeah, you don't really get much, right? But like if you bet on Jake Paul, like you get almost $1,000 out of hundreds. $4:30. I read it in your Insta already. Yes. 4:30 a.m. Friend of mine just asked me if we're going into a Zoom together. Because I posted it on social media. And he's like, let's go on a Zoom together and watch it. I'm usually not the biggest boxing fan, to be honest. Like, I mean, I'm a football fan, right? But I just think like these fights are so funny. like when you have like Conor McGregor or these kind of people, you know? So let's see. Do we get a freaking push now or not? Let's go pump it up. Da, 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 na, 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 na. Also, Ethereum chopping around entry. Let me actually see what entry I got on Ethereum. Didn't even see. Okay. But there's still chance for Jake. In heavyweight, everything can happen. Yeah. I mean, Anthony Joshua also lost against this Mexican fat guy, right? Like this fat dude. I can actually go to the bathroom. I need to pee. I need to pee. Should I go to the bathroom? So we get the pump or what? Maybe that will give us the pump. Yeah, I mean, I hate this, you know? Like, I'm pretty chill with these positions, right? But you guys, maybe not if you're trading, like, not for a long time. Like, I'm not in with, like, crazy risk or something like that. So it's like, whatever happens, happens. But I will definitely participate from either of this movement here. I definitely want to have either one of this movement. And to be really honest, I really, really think it's possible that we get this freaking pump. I really think we get this pump. Or I really hope, actually. I really hope we get this pump. So I would say Do I need to go to the bathroom, or or maybe we even, that would be a nice one if we get it without me going to the bathroom. So Ethereum around entry, actually. Ethereum at entry. So there I'm like break even. Don't know what entry you got, but there I'm pretty much break even right now. Yeah, break even. So yeah, Bitcoin is also now, I think, break even. Let me actually see. Yeah. Oh no, actually Bitcoin is in profit. Oh, nice, nice. Bitcoin is in profit. Got a good entry here. Oh, crazy, nice. So now, guys, are we ready? Is it pushing through? Yes or no? Or does it want to play with us? Does it want to play with us? Ethereum break even. Bitcoin, do you want to make the move, bro, or not? Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Do you guys know the song? Come on. Come on. So now we're definitely big in profit. I'm 300 pips, 400 pips in profit. 400 pips in profit, 500 pips in profit. Take partials, guys, if you want. There we go. There we go. I'm taking partials here. Took some partials here. Oh my goodness. 500 pips. 3, 4, 5. I cannot even count anymore. 550 pips. First target hit. First target hit. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. First target hit. First target hit. Oh, I didn't update you about Ethereum. Ethereum didn't make much. So Ethereum is still... Let me see. Fuck, I forgot about this. Okay. First target hit in BTC. Let's freaking go. Nice. 400 pip move. Finally. Market makers heard toilet, and then they already were like, okay, we're plugging. Let's go. We are ready. I love it. I love it. Come on, push it. Push it. Push it for us. Push it for us. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. 600 pips profit. 600 pips profit. Oh my god. That was good. That feels so good. I took some partials here. I forgot to take partials before we hit this one. So let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. That feels good. That feels good. Let's push through it. It would be nice if we push through it here. Market goes a little bit slower. But now we see push, push, push. All right, all right, all right. So small, we got a small, or we definitely got some losses here. But now it should be at least on, I would say on break even. I don't know, but like right now it should be at least on break even. The stop loss we should have in. So let's see what we can make here. So first loss, it was really good that we went out here because we see the push now. We are targeting the next level, next liquidation level under us, 88,920. 88,920. And we hit it through. So first, next take profit is done. 98,000 the next. 98,000 the next. I don't know why this comes now. I don't want to buy from Aldi. What the fuck? Okay, next target hit. Took some partials here too. We are pushing through, guys. We are so back. We're so back. Shouting in the microphone. We are now at the resistance area, guys. So here is definitely a point where I would take profit. If you're greedy motherfuckers still didn't go out of the market, at least take some partials here. At least take some partials here, you greedy motherfuckers. Sorry for my French. Let's just push through. I would say we all agree that we are pushing through. Who has the bigger balls? Is it the Bulls or the Bears? Currently, I see the Bears have big balls because it's still at a resistance area here. 89,300. We are at 1,000 pips profit. Take partials, guys. 1,000 pips. The other move should be maximum 600 pips loss. Maximum. We are pushing through. 98.3. 1,000 pips profits. 1,000 pips profits. Can we push through here? Next target, slightly over the highs. Next target, slightly over the highs. I took some... I'm too slow here. Some partials I took at the top. 2 positions open here. Okay. All right. What is Ethereum doing, by the way? Oh my god. Okay, Ethereum, guys. I haven't took any profits, but well, now I take them. Now I take profits. I forgot about it. Well, okay, I took profits here. I took profits in Ethereum too. Sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. Ethereum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 take profits. Ethereum 5 take profits. 5 take profits, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, we are in the live stream here as well. We just went into the green area. Before we took, unfortunately, a small loss, but now we had a great, crazy move already, over 1,000 pips with Bitcoin. Take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already hit. Then we have Ethereum, also small. Oh no, we didn't go in here. And then here we went into the long 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 take profits. We took already partials, and let's see what we get. Let's go. Daily live streams Monday to Friday. Just check out the link in my bio. Ooh. Oof, oof, oof. Some liquidation grabbed at the top. Good that I closed profits there. Good that I took some profits there. So what we got? Let's see. Is this now manipulation candle? Just grabbing some liquidity here, apparently. Okay, okay, okay. I put my stop loss on break even now. If you guys want to obviously participate from the up move, see what you do based on your risk management. Let's see. We continue to push. So as you guys are aware, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have big liquidation levels that we grabbed. Ethereum, the same thing. Ethereum also is back, so Ethereum is out of the trade. But maybe we actually get the retracement. So if you guys put stop loss on break even here on Ethereum, sorry, then you potentially are out of the trade depending on your entry, but I guess you are definitely. Bitcoin as well. So yeah, I think that was really a good trade. 1,000 pips. Oh, you should definitely think about also closing big chunk of your profits. I really hope you did. So let's see. Let's see. Do I get stopped out here? I'm far away from being... Why did I get such a good entry? I actually don't understand my entry. My entry is here somewhere. Okay, now I got stopped out. All right. Well, was a nice one. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, bro. Was a nice trade. Grab some liquidity here too. But oh, I forgot to close this one, but now I closed it in profits. Okay. All right, was a nice ride. Was a nice ride. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take profits hit. Big resistance is holding for now. The highs. Doesn't mean that we cannot push over, but for now that is definitely more. I was not ultra bullish. Would be nice if we would have broken these highs here. But yeah, we had some fun, I would say. Let me know in the chat. Ether kicked me out, break even, took 2 push. But Ethereum, we also took profits, no? Don't say you don't, because there was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 take profit scenarios. Please. Or was it too quick? Okay, that was a nice one. I don't get what I did wrong. Overall loss, even I took a lot of partials out. I don't know. Maybe over risk or something. I don't know. I mean, there, if you close the whole position with like 500 pips, then of course here I would have closed with 1,000 pips. Then we would definitely be in profits. Yes, both. Took partials in Ethereum and Bitcoin both, but counting with a stop loss before overall loss. Super. Also with banger entries. I can't tell you why, guys. How much is your stop? Well, how much was your stop loss in Bitcoin? But how much in loss are you? Because we got the double the movement than we got in the stop loss. Same risk, same margin. Yeah, but this move is, I would say, double, right? Double the move. %5 loss, or what? Just think about if you say 75%, let's say, for example, you took the partial in the beginning, which was maybe lower. Then if you put 75%, it's not from the whole position, but just from the rest of the margin that you have. So it's not in total 75%. Maybe that's the problem. Well, that's not optimal. But at least you got some losses back. So you had 10% risk at the other position. Do you think it's coming down? Do you... Same margin, same... Do you think it's coming back down to the fair value gaps? 25% risk. Okay, crazy. 25% risk. Okay. Well, at least then you didn't have 25% loss. These fair value gaps, you mean? We grab liquidity here already. So, but yeah, for sure, still valid entries. Still valid entries. uh, 5% risk. Okay. So you had 5% risk in the first position. Ah, no, 25% partials at 88.70. Okay, here already. But did you take anything here? First level 88.774. And then we got another push of 500 pips. 25% risk, haha, bro. I got balls, but not that big. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, let's see one more thing. I actually need to go. We have some support here. Okay, what are we doing here? We don't have support here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I hate Bitcoin sometimes, you know, like this is like liquidity grab and then again manipulation. So funny. But yeah, for the quick ones, it's great. Ethereum too. All right. I would say close 50% at the last TP. That's why I'm... Yeah, then you did, because you have... you closed 25% margin, so you had 75% left, and then you closed 50% of the 75%, which is 35, right? No. 37.5. So that is what you closed there. So you closed around shortly after 50% with fees. So like you with your initial margin. But probably your stop loss before was not 5%, was it? Because it was a pretty or was it maybe? I don't know. Well, I mean, that's just figuring it out, you know. I mean, it's not the best, but then at least you got some profits which got the losses back. I would personally think about going into a long here as a last trade. I would think about going into a long here. If we can see some confirmations, but we don't. So definitely here we have some imbalance. Well, probably I will leave it like this, but yeah, we still have some, of course, when we break this low, it's interesting for low. So maybe if you guys want to continue trading, that's the trading, like the plan. Breaking down here would be for sells. Targets would be down here. So maybe you guys can get back what you lost in the first, with the first stop loss. Other than that, it's also quite interesting for longs here because we got some good got some good support areas. So yeah, but I need to go walk my dogs. So with that being said, guys, I will finish up this live. Currently looking for buys still though. Could be a good entry here. So, you know, you guys know how I trade. So Dennis, Flo, stage is yours. Might be something to look into right now. But I'm just saying that now because I cannot help you. I'm going out for a walk and chill. All right? So you guys know what to do, hopefully. With that being said, guys, much love. Have a great weekend. And I'm going to communicate what's coming with the new live streams. Next week, probably we don't have any live stream because of Christmas. So if we don't have any live stream, I wish you an amazing, amazing Christmas time. Okay, did you guys go in? Because you say look in on that. I'm in, by the way. But yeah, I didn't want to call that one out because I'm going now. Okay, I'm going now. I'm letting this trade now do its thing. But anyways, after this candle, I wish you amazing, amazing holiday season, amazing Christmas. Enjoy the time, touch some grass, guys, and we're gonna see each other at the latest after Christmas, potentially for next week. But I'm super busy for the beginning of the week because I'm traveling before Christmas and I'm just coming back home in the evening of the 23rd. So I need to see if I can go live or not. But for now, I wish you the best. We're going to see each other very soon, and I'm going to update you in my Telegram. With that being said, over and out. Thank you. Much love. Bye-bye. See ya.